everyone. I am Dr. Vivek Agarwala, consultant medical oncologist and hemato-oncologist working at Narayana Super Speciality Hospital, Howrah and RN Tagore Hospital, Mukundpur, Kolkata. Well friends, because the COVID-19 pandemic is not yet over and now we have COVID-19 vaccines available. So many of our cancer patients are really curious and eager to know whether they can go for COVID-19 vaccine or not. So we frequently get a lot of calls, a lot of queries from all our patients. So to clear this all, I must tell you that as per the government guidelines that are being issued and as per all the regulatory organizations, for COVID-19 vaccine, cancer patients are a priority. So it doesn't matter whether the patients are undergoing any form of anti-cancer treatment. For COVID-19, cancer patients are a priority and all patients should get vaccine. Patients who are undergoing treatment, even their caregivers are a very strong priority for COVID-19 vaccine. So it is clear from all the guidelines issued that COVID-19 vaccine is a must for all cancer patients. It is safe. However, we must understand that in patients who are undergoing active anti-cancer treatment, in them the efficacy of the vaccine may be less. But despite that, all cancer patients and their caregivers are a priority for vaccine and they should go for vaccine. One thing we all must understand that the COVID-19 vaccine actually doesn't protect you against asymptomatic infection, but its protection is nearly 100% against COVID related deaths and COVID related severe illness. So that is the reason why talking about efficacy of the vaccine is a bit doubtful. That is the reason why even if the efficacy is a bit less, the safety is there and you can go ahead with the vaccine. Now there are a few points that we should note. So patients who have undergone autologous bone marrow transplant or allogenic bone marrow transplant, in these patients the guidelines suggest that you should give a gap of at least 3 months for optimum efficacy of the vaccine, and it is desirable that there should be a gap of 3 months before giving the COVID vaccine. Secondly, patients who are undergoing cancer surgeries, so the guidelines say that on the day of surgery you should avoid the vaccine and on other days you can go for COVID vaccine. For patients who are undergoing cytotoxic chemotherapies or immunosuppressive treatments where they have decrease in the blood counts, so for these patients it is suggested that you should consult with your oncologist and take the vaccine accordingly so that your counts are not on the lowest phase in your cycle. So take the vaccine when your counts have not fallen down or your counts are on the rising trend whenever you are taking cytotoxic chemotherapies. For other forms of anti-cancer treatments, for example hormonal therapy or targeted therapy or immunotherapy, which usually doesn't affect the counts and is not affecting your immunity, you can safely go ahead with vaccine. Patients of cancer who have been treated in the past and are now on follow-up also can safely go ahead with the vaccine. Now a question also is being asked as which vaccine we should prefer, because in India currently we have the Covishield and we have the Covaxin. So as per the drug information that is being released by the companies, so in cancer patients who are on immunosuppressive treatment or anti-cancer active treatment, in these patients Covishield is preferable because it is a relative contraindication as per the Covaxin. So you should prefer Covishield in these patients. Remember, for COVID-19 vaccine there is no absolute contraindication that is being released by the government or the guidelines, and the vaccine is safe, and it is our collective responsibility to take COVID-19 vaccine, to encourage everyone to take the vaccine so that we can decrease the illness which is related to COVID. We can avoid all serious COVID related illnesses, and we can expect that probably in a few months we will have a COVID-19 free world. So friends, it is a yes for vaccine. I have also taken the vaccine. My cancer patients who are undergoing treatment are continuously taking vaccine every day. The lot of patients who are taking it is safe, and I assure you that you should also go for the vaccine. Good luck.